Stuffed eggplants. Delicious dish, simple, but let's start making the stuffing. A little bit of oil, the onion. While the onion is wilting, for stuffing, you know, bread is always kind of binds it all. If you have the leftover bread, that's great. Day-old bread, whole wheat bread, whatever you have works. Just enough milk to soak them. That's good. We let that soak. Just a little salt in the onions so they begin to wilt. And the eggplant. These are ideal eggplants. These are the Sicilian eggplant. They're medium size, nice and shiny, firm you want. And basically, you want to cut them in half just like that and go right through the stem. Okay. We'll scoop out the inside so we can make some room for the stuffing, but I want to use the inside of the eggplant as well in the stuffing. Whenever you see a little extra seeds, let's put that on the side. You know, the seeds make it bitter, so you don't want, if at all possible, remove them. Let's get back here to the onions. Let's put the chopped meat right in there. Beef is great, but you know, you can do it with other meat. You can do it with lamb, you can do it even with chicken, with turkey, absolutely. You know, could you do the stuffing, you know, could you do it way in advance? You lose some of the flavors. If you do things in advance, you cook them, you put them in the refrigerator, especially stuffings, and it loses its freshness. Do from the beginning to the end. Okay, so here we are. Let's put in the peppers. And let's chop the okay. Let's season this, a little bit of salt. Break down all the pieces of meat, the large pieces. The eggplant will wilt down and make a nice stuffing. Because then we have to stuff all those eggplants and then bake them in the oven. A little bit of white wine. Let this simmer and cook about 15 minutes until the eggplant is wilted. And then we'll let it cool, and we'll come back to it once it's cool and make the stuffing. Well, eggplant is a favorite, and the kids love eggplant parmigiana. Everybody loves eggplant parmigiana. But, you know, I am selective about the eggplants that Grandma and I grow. And I like the Sicilian eggplants, which are smaller and smaller bellies. When it really yields fruit, it yields a lot. One plant will have 4 or 5 eggplants hanging, and it's so beautiful, that beautiful purple, blue color. And you take the little scissors and snipe them off, and they're nice and firm. And taking them in and frying them or baking them, it's such a pleasure, such you know, because you get the flavors and the sweetness and the sugars right from the plant, right into the pot and right onto the table within 2-3 hours. Okay, so the filling is cooled. Let's put the bread in. Soak any excess milk out. And just crush it in there. Little chopped tomatoes for color, for freshness. chopped boiled eggs, parsley, okay, some cheese, grated cheese. That should be enough. Let's mix this well. Okay, we are ready to fill the eggplants. Let's put the eggplants, we'll bake them right on this pan, or if you have another baking pan that you prefer, but a nice dense pan so that they don't get burned from underneath, that they get cooked evenly. A little bit of salt, we have to season them with salt, a little bit of oil. Just toss them with the oil so they get, everything gets kind of oily. That's good, and now we'll fill them. You fill them well, and then if we have some left over, we'll top some more. Now, this could be a main course, of course. So you have the meat, the vegetables. This with a nice salad makes a great main course. And they're good when they're warm out of the oven, but they're also good at room temperature. I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit of oil on top of the, okay. Just a little bit more, like that. A little bit of the cheese, just to kind of give it a nice crunchy top. Okay. So that looks ready to go. So make sure that you preheat the oven at 375 degrees. And we will cover it with foil, put it in for about half an hour to 40 minutes, see how they're doing. They're soft. And then you uncover them for another 15, 20 minutes and let them get brown on the top. When you tent, make it tall, so you don't want to lose the nice crispy cheese topping, so it doesn't lay on the eggplant itself. Ready to go in the oven. Masterclass Savory Baking Basics. The size of the dish is important. Don't overcrowd the food. Butter or oil the baking dish so the food doesn't stick to it. First, bake the dishes covered so they cook, then uncover and let it brown. Use the racks of your oven, the top to brown, the middle to cook, and the bottom to reduce your sauce. Remember, all the ovens are different. Get to know your oven and adjust the temperature accordingly. Okay. You see, kind of they're soft, they settled in, and this is how you like your eggplants, nice and mellow and done, and the stuffing is done. I think I'm gonna taste one. You know, I always taste, but I'm curious too. So let me take this one right here. Okay. Let's cut right down the middle. Very good. The aroma is delicious. Now we're gonna delicious. A little salt here and a little salt here. And it's great to add it when it's nice and hot like that so the salt melts in. And they're ready to be plated.